Hello, everyone, and this is another update for a smart contract. This is Tronforce, and make sure when you type in Tronforce, this is the tronforce.io. There are some other similar ones out there that have are not still around, so make sure when you're looking for Tronforce, it's the tronforce.io. And let's just go over the information for this contract so that we can see how it's doing. Let's look at the contract on TronScan first. Okay, so it has a little over 95,000 TRX in the contract. This actually started on August 15th, 2021. And the balance is the equivalent of 9,690 US dollars. To date, they've only had 338 transactions. So the community is still pretty small for this one, but we did make an investment, I believe, back in August. We might have did it one day after launch, but let's just go over what they have to offer. So they're promising 300% total profit. The reason this one is different is a withdrawal every 5 days. There's 50% that goes to your wallet, 40% automatic reinvestment. 10% is added to insurance. The daily ROI is 3%. And then there's 15% referrals on 5 levels, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this one also, the referral commission goes directly to the wallet. So it's not part of your ROI. Okay, and then they do have this reinvest force button, which means that when you do that, 90% is automatically reinvested. I guess from that point on, you might, if you just do that, maybe it just does it automatically when your account reaches an amount that for reinvestment. So not sure about that total. So what we did a deposit of 100 TRX. What we have available right now is 55.08 TRX to withdraw. Let's just withdraw and see what it does. It's not a great deal, but let's just see what was deposited. So 27.54. So yep, that sounds about right. And so now it auto redeposited 50%. So now we have 122 invested. And there's the ticker showing that we have 4 days, 23 hours, 59 minutes before we can withdraw again. So it took, how long was that? About 2 weeks. Yeah, so about 2 weeks to get up to the 57 TRX. So that sounds about right. They're not moving extremely fast, but hey, it's not crashing. And so that's something you have to look forward to. They do have a Telegram community. It seems pretty active. They're just not able to attract enough people or investors at this time. But we'll check back in next week for this contract and let you know how things are going. Okay, until then, happy investing, safe investing. Please don't invest any amount of TRX or money into any smart contract unless you can afford to lose that money. And we always say that, and we really do mean it. I like that you guys are following my educational journey through smart contracts and investing in cryptocurrency as a whole, but I don't want you to lose your shirt over it, okay? So this is fun for me because I can lose $8. Make sure you're doing responsible investing just for yourself, okay? Talk to you soon.